Just thought I'd show you that we have a cold front moving in this afternoon. This is just the leading edge of it, as you can see over here. Severely clear. This is this is over towards the east. This is back to the west. I don't know if you can see there in the distance. The palm trees are blowing pretty good. Winds are supposed to be 35 plus. I guess that's gusts. I don't know about sustained winds. Here's my little palm tree blowing and stuff on my property. I'm just stepping out to go take a walk before this thing moves in, because in a couple of hours we're set to have a 70% chance of light or moderate to heavy rain, and it's supposed to go on from this morning. Well, it's noon right now. In Arizona, back over here, really nothing yet, but this is supposed to go on until 8 o'clock tonight. So anyway, just really gusty, windy in front of the front, but this looks like the leading edge of it right here. We'll hopefully not get any damage. I took everything that was light off of the patio so it wouldn't fly around and become a missile. So hopefully that won't cause any problems. And anyway, just gonna go step out and try to get this walk in before this thing moves in, and I'll get a little video later of if and when the rain comes. Oh, it's really getting crazy out here. I'll get a little video of when the rain comes, so see you then.